Have you ever opened a coding tutorial and thought, what is DOM? What is even an API? And why is everything async? If that's you, relax. In few minutes, I'm going to just explain 10 coding concepts every beginner must know in the simplest way possible. No jargons, no complicated definitions, just clarity. And I do promise, by the end of this video, these scary words won't feel scary anymore. So let's start. The first one is Python and IDE. If you're starting coding, you have probably heard of Python. Think of Python like English, but for computers, not for humans. It's beginner friendly, it is used in AI, web development, automation, and even big companies use it for machine learning. Now, what is IDE? IDE is Python's basic editor. Think of it like Python is the language and IDE is the notebook where you write it. So you write code, you press run, boom, it executes. Quick question for you. Are you learning Python right now? So comment Python if yes. Next terminology we do have is DOM. DOM. Now let's talk about something that confuses everyone. DOM stands for Document Object Model. It sounds scary, but it's not. Imagine your website is a tree. HTML inside the website is tree, elements is the branches, and button and text are the leaves. Now JavaScript. JavaScript is the gardener that takes care of all these things. It can cut branches, change leaves, and add new branches. That tree structure the browser creates. That is the DOM. So it is nothing, it's the structural way that the browser creates to represent the website. So when you click a button and something changes, JavaScript is modifying the DOM. See, it was not scary, it was just very simple. Next is API. Now imagine you open a weather app. How does it know the weather? Magic? No, absolutely not. It's the API. API stands for Application Programming Interface, but forget the long name. We'll just call it API. Think of it like a waiter in the restaurant. You are the client, waiter is the API, and kitchen is the server. So waiter is providing you the interaction between you and the kitchen. You just have to say, give me today's weather, and the waiter goes to kitchen, that is the server, and bring back the weather. So this is how the waiter acts as API. Next is Async. Now here's where beginners get confused. Async means your code doesn't wait around doing nothing. Imagine ordering food. Would you just stand at the counter for 30 minutes doing nothing? No. You just order it, you go and sit, you scroll Instagram. When food is ready, you get notified. That is async. Your program continues running while waiting for something else to finish. This makes apps smooth and fast. Modern JavaScript heavily depends on this. Next is callback. Now what's a callback? Callback is simply, hey, when this is done, call this function. Example, you tell your friend, call me when the pizza arrives. You don't stand at the door waiting. When pizza arrives, your friend calls you. That's a callback. It runs after something finishes. Next is components. Now let's talk about modern front-end development. Components. Just imagine building with Lego blocks. Each Lego piece is reusable. A button is component, a card is component, a nav bar is also a component. You combine them to build a full website. Frameworks like React are built around these ideas only. Why it is so powerful? Because instead of rewriting code, you just reuse the components. It's smarter, faster, and cleaner. Next terminology is Git. Now imagine you work on your project for 5 days. You change something. Everything breaks. There is no backup. That's why we have Git. Git is a time machine. It tracks every change in your order. You can go back, compare versions, collaborate with others. Every serious developer uses Git. If you are not using it, just start. Next is repository. Now, what's a repository? Very simple. It is your project's home. It's just a folder tracked by Git. It is stored on your computer or on GitHub. Think of it as your project's organized storage space. Next terminology that comes is deploy. You build a website, it works on your laptop, cool, but no one else sees it. To make it live on the internet, you have to deploy it. Deploy is similar to taking your project from your laptop to internet. Platforms like Netlify, GitHub pages make it easy and help us to deploy the project. So when you deploy your first project, it feels amazing. The last is responsive design. So have you ever opened a website on mobile and everything looks broken? That's a bad design. Responsive design means your website adapts to desktop, tablet, mobile, whatever platform you are using this. And modern web development demands this. If your site isn't responsive, it's incomplete. So let's recap. In today's lesson, you learned Python, DOM, API, Async, Callback, components, Git, repository, deploy, and responsive design. If you understand all these, you're already ahead of most of the beginners. Now, I just want to ask you, which concept was the most confusing before this video and now you feel that it is very easy? You can comment below, and if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more beginner friendly coding content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.